Hello again, thanks for clicking on by. I'm Pietro and this is my channel, Peter Herget and Gadgets Anonymous. I'm outside today because I needed a change of venue. That's why I have the glasses on, because it's bright. I'm not hungover or anything, see? Eyes are good. Anyway, we have a fun package from a lighting company. Have you heard of LUmecube? Well, they liked some of my other stuff and they sent me this huge box to unbox. So here we go. We're gonna use this knife. Cool things come in big boxes, right? A nice slice down the middle. Up. One more. And there we go. The Flex Light Pro. It's a versatile 2-point lighting for creators. You know, I wish I knew a creator who could use this. Yeah, that's thanks. Even has a carrying case. Cool. So we can push that right there. Let's take a look at this. That is cool. There's the logo, LUmecube. We got edge light technology, brightness and color temp. See, there's the flex light. They also do a phone clip, light stand. Oh, these are all the accessories. That's inside the box. That's cool. And it actually does come with a traveling case. I thought this was the traveling case. Mounted on flexible goosenecks. Awesome. Wow, a box within a box within a box. Oh, holy cow. So there's the lights. Wow, this is quite the apparatus. All right. Here, I'll give you the big overhead view here. So there are the lights with the, holy cow, I had no idea how fancy this was. Here's the tripod, there's the power unit, there's my phone mount. Now it is pretty bright outside, so we're gonna take this home, set it up in my studio, and I'll show you how cool and how useful this LUmecube lighting system is. See you in a few hours. Okay, we got my camera girl behind the screen, behind the lens. Say hello. Oh, did you flip the camera? Great. All right, we are at home. We have the LUmecube Flex Light Pro. All right. Whoa!
Look at, is that magnetic?
No, but they are flex. So we want the tripod. Oh, that's cool.
Bendy.
Holy cow. So there's the stand. And it goes way high. This will just clip on like so. Right, camera girl?
I guess.
Okay, your job is to make sure I don't make a fool of myself.
You already said my job to record. Your job
Then it
is
has a little clamp so it doesn't come off. And you can rotate it. Oh, those are very flat. Oh, and they rotate.
They
That's
look like
awesome.
bunny ears.
They do look like bunny ears. And
Oh, is that supposed to be for the lighting?
yes.
Oh.
These are for lighting and vlogging, and then we would put my camera, which is upstairs charging, and then that rotates like so. And finally, the power. And they included a nice Velcro cable. This retails for around $200 American. You can get it on Amazon. And yes, I just got approved to be an affiliate for LUmecube. So if you decide to buy one of these and you want to help out the channel, wow.
That's so bright. I'm literally...
Holy cow, that's bright.
My eyes.
So now though, what I would do is I would turn these towards me.
Whoa.
So right now, wow, that is really bright. Okay, so to adjust this, so now we're at just 10%. But if I had the camera right there, that would be really good lighting. So we'll give the camera girl a break.
My hands hurt.
Okay, here we go. So now we are going to turn off all the extra lighting in our basement. And now the only lights we have are from the LUmecube Flex Pro. And if you notice, there's not a lot of shadows. It's just nice, soft lighting. The extension cord is pretty long, and we're only at 10%. And it's almost sunset here in Utah, so it is getting dark. So now we're going to crank it up a notch. So now we're at 4,000K. And if you notice, it kind of changed the tone.
This was 4,000K?
No, not that, yeah.
I'm just kidding.
So now we're at 50% brightness.
Then my eyes
and that is really bright. You almost want to put on your sunglasses. That looks pretty good, but it's not, I mean, if I'm just looking at the camera, I'm not blinded by the light. But I really like the 10%.
And this
That
looks
looks
way
good.
better. It's easier on your eyes.
This is way better than my previous light. And then we can turn it off. So that's the lighting without. And that's the nice lighting with the LUmecube. So let's see here. If we change this down to 3,000K, and we can go down to 5%. That's a nice warm lighting.
I don't like it.
Now we're going to crank it back up to 6,200K, 5%. Yeah, that's about perfect. And then if we wanted, we could we could bounce one off the ceiling and then put one directly on us and then kind of tilt that because we don't want the light behind the camera because that's going to cast a shadow.
Okay.
That looks pretty good.
Yeah.
And guess what?
What?
There are USB ports. So I could plug in my camera and charge it while I'm vlogging.
Well, that's cool.
That is cool. All right. Let me play around with this light. I will do a long-term review very soon. You saw how easy it was to set up. It comes with the travel briefcase right here. What do you think the briefcase, little girl?
When I first saw it, I thought it was going to be a pillow.
The LUmecube pillow. We actually have a pillow called the Cube. And then inside, so it goes, yeah, number 11 would be the color temperature. So we did that. We have the AC power, the brightness dial, color temperature dial, which is right there. So now we'll go all the way down to 3,000.
Nice.
And then we have the USB-A, USB-C, the charging ports. Oh, this is really good because I can charge my, and then the flexibility of that camera is nice. You know, that is a little too, there we go. That's a little wider. That was a little too yellow for me.
I don't like yellow. Yellow.
Yeah, I concur.
Super ugly.
That's
color for lighting.
10% with this lighting. And then I kind of liked it around 5,000. Yeah, I like that. So there's a slight, yeah, it's not blinding. Nice soft light. Do you like it better? And I love how they tilt. That's really nice. You just move it like so.
You're strong. I can't move.
I am strong. So now I'll take this off so you can see the other way. So that's how we were adjusting the lights.
You should warn them before you blind them.
Oh, be warned, you're about to be blinded by the light. Is that better? That's pretty cool. I like it. So that's 10K. These are the settings we were playing with. So there's 10K. That is 100% brightness.
Stop it.
And at 6,200.
That's so right.
So we'll just bounce that off the ceiling.
Oh, that hurt hurts my eyes. That's
Wow, that's still...
That's brighter than a
For how it's
flashlight.
bouncing off the ceiling, that's pretty cool. And then here's the USB-A charging port, USB-C charging port, and then how high will the... Whoa, that goes really high. Here, will you hold the camera, please? Thank you, ma'am. How high will she go?
It's taller than me.
Whoa. Whoa.
Dad,
Yeah, and it's still quite stable.
please tell me not to cover the camera.
And it's still quite stable. That's so what is that, a good 7 feet?
Yes.
Yes. Are you playing with your microphone?
Stars.
I love my camera girl. Oh, it's a 24 volt, 2 amp charging plug.
Your 50th gadget.
Yeah, this is Gadget. Fourth Gadget I've unboxed in the last 7 days. That's crazy. If you have any pithy questions, type those down below, and you can pick one of these up from LUmecube.com or from Amazon.com, and I'll put the links in the description down below. Thank you so much for watching. I don't have anything to do I'll use this. And yes, let the credits roll.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.